Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.02 paired with a momentum of minus 0.29, which is notably more negative than what we've observed historically. This divergence suggests a significant shift in market perception. With 18 semantic clusters identified, it's clear that there are multiple narratives at play, but the overall sentiment indicates a bearish outlook. Our API returns rich insights, giving you the sentiment score, momentum, and detailed semantic analysis to inform your decisions. For example, you could leverage this data to adjust your trading strategies or risk assessments, ensuring you're positioned effectively amidst this shift. To dive deeper, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this data into actionable intelligence together.